Everyone tells you to upgrade to tubeless tires, but nobody warns you about the sealant explosions in your living room. The industry pushes tubeless as a mandatory upgrade. The promise looks perfect. Zero pinch flats, auto-sealing punctures, and better grip. But is it actually worth the setup hassle? Let's look at the math. A premium tubeless setup saves 2 to 4 watts per wheel compared to standard butyl tubes. But the real performance cheat code is pressure. You can safely drop 10 to 15 psi for dramatically better comfort with zero speed penalty. Here's the financial reality. Converting requires tubeless-ready tires like the Continental GP 5000 ST-R or Schwalbe Pro 1 TLE at about $80 each. Add new valves, rim tape, and sealant, and you're dropping over $180 just to ditch your inner tubes. It is an investment. This is where buyers get tricked. Liquid latex sealant, like Stan's or Orange Seal, dries out every 3 to 6 months. Topping it off is a messy, incredibly annoying chore. If you hate maintenance, here's the alternative most people miss. TPU inner tubes like the Pirelli Smart Tube or Tubelito. At $35 a pop, they weigh just 35 grams, match tubeless rolling resistance, save rotational weight, and involve absolutely zero latex mess. So who actually needs tubeless? If you ride gravel or mountain bikes, the debate is over. 95% of serious off-road riders use tubeless because the rough terrain puncture protection is completely transformative. Don't overthink off-road. Go tubeless immediately. But for pure road cyclists, it's highly debatable. High-pressure road tires are notoriously stubborn to seat, and fixing a massive, non-sealing blowout roadside covered in latex is miserable. Here is your 2026 Lab 4 Run verdict. Ride off-road. Tubeless is mandatory. Ride pure road. Hate flats and tolerate chemistry experiments. Go tubeless. Want the speed and weight savings without the messy hassle. Buy TPU inner tubes and just go ride. Don't blindly follow trends. Buy what fits your ride.